Can you describe the soil injection process? Like if I was a developer or if I was a builder?
We have hydraulic injection is what we call it. It's done with tractors, either a skid steer or a Caterpillar track loader that we use. Depending on the machine, it will have either 4 rods or 5 rods across the front of it. They're on 3-foot spacings. The bottom of each rod, much like a barber pole design and a swirl, we have 8 holes that go all the way around the bottom of the rod. Tractor is hooked up to a pump that is hooked up typically to a fire hydrant. So we're pressurizing that and we're pumping about 100 gallons a minute of water into the soil. We do that and we pre-swell it. Typically on our first day, depending on the house size, it may take several days on a larger foundation. But we'll go across it with just pure water out of the fire hydrant, pre-swell it, and then we have a stabilization solution that we use to go back over it again, and that's what has the process that ionizes the clay, changes the pH balance, and gives you a firm foundation. It eliminates the heave and shrinkage.